Welcome, in front of me is an Honor Magic V5, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, you will... Actually, before I get started, let's touch upon one more thing. So, you can do this reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I unfortunately don't have one, but the process will be exactly the same, which means you're gonna hold power button and volume up. There we go. You're gonna click on power off, and when the device turns off, you're gonna hold power button and volume up again. This time around, actually hold them, and you can let go of the power button once Honor logo shows up on the screen. And there we go. And let go of the volume up when the Honor logo disappears. This will take us to the recovery mode. In here, select clear data, and then select factory reset. As a confirmation, regardless of what kind of screen lock you have, all you need to do to reset your device is type in yes. I want to point out that by doing this and confirming the reset, all the data on your device will be permanently deleted. Additionally, if your device had a Google account signed in and had a screen lock, your device becomes FRP locked. And what that means is once the reset is finished, you will be forced to verify your either screen lock or Google account. And if you can't do either one of those, at least one, you won't be ever able to finish up the setup. So you'll be just stuck with a device that is kind of unusable, because it's not like you can use it while it's in setup stage. So just be aware of that. Anyway, I'm going to select factory reset. This goes to a quick reset right here, and will shortly tell me that it's finished. I think it gets like 20%. Yep, there we go. And from here we can select back and restart. Now the device will reboot and continue resetting itself in the background, so it's going to take it a little bit longer to boot back up. So don't worry, this is completely normal. Now once it's finished doing whatever it's doing in the background, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.